Good morning. In one voice, good morning. That's so nice. Dear fellow beings, we all live together. When we live together, we have got to accept everything on earth. So we have got to learn to accept. Life is like that, that's all. We have got to learn to accept and keep moving on. Learn to keep moving on. Absolutely, there is no reason to set back on any of your personal decisions. The choice is always yours. And nobody can disrespect your choice. Nobody has the right to disrespect your decision. Absolutely, every one of us have the right to live the way we love. If we live for others, we don't live our life. We have to learn to live for ourselves. Well then, today you are quoting the picture of legal, ceremonial approval, etc. But even if there is no legal ceremonial approval, what would happen? Naturally, in privacy, only mutual consent is more important. Nothing more than that. And why my private life should become very public? Private life is entirely different and it is under me, for me, and for nobody else. Naturally, when you accept that everything is nature made, mutation also is nature made. Mutation is not which is man made, it is nature made. So when mutation could also be nature made, everything has got to be acceptable. We enjoy all flowers in the garden, we enjoy all vegetables in the garden, we enjoy all creations of the nature. Don't we have the mindset to enjoy the creation in every segment of life? What's wrong? Can you not find the beauty in Madhu? Can you not see the dynamism in poetry? Can you not see the leadership in Lily? They are important. So, the confusion is not in heart. The confusion is self-created in the brain. Allow the heart to decide. Brain should add only value, intellectual value to the decision taken by the heart. Let us listen to the heart. I am a man. I love my daughter. I love my mother. Right? And why should I not love a fellow being? Do I not love my brother? Do I not love my brother's friend who is also a male? What's wrong? Absolutely, there is nothing wrong in anything. I don't believe in your legality, etc. These are all only the unnecessary surface code that we are trying to do. When people in law can take law into their hands, where is law existing? When advocates in the Supreme Court can come onto the roads and can fight with the police, where is the law existing? Law has got to be the discipline that you impose upon yourself, and the law has got to be the freedom that you give to your heart to speak, to express what every heart would love to express. The law discrimination has got to be at the intelligence level to give an intelligence value to whatever is happening in the heart, and don't suppress your heart from singing the truth. let the truth be sung, and that is always the song of life. And today you are going to have the beautiful 4 songs. Perhaps in the next session, all that it is required is, people call it as broad-mindedness. You give a place for everyone, for every individual born on this earth, a place in your heart. Don't try to put them in the intellectual memory, which will spoil, because intellectual memory will start rising the opinion. Heart does not make any opinion, because heart knows only one thing, that only one thing is love, and love unconditionally anybody. Thank you very much for such a nice talk.